Hi everyone, we're doing another LeetCode challenge tonight. This is number 1832, called Check if the sentence is a pangram. And a pangram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appears at least once. So we're given a string called sentence containing only lowercase English letters, and we want to return true if the sentence is a pangram, or false otherwise. So the first example sentence here is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and this is going to return true because it does include every letter of the English alphabet at least once. So I'm going to show two different ways to solve it. The first way I thought through to solve this is to create an array. We're going to call this letters and set that equal to an empty array. And then we're going to loop through the characters in the sentence. And if the array dot includes the character, and rather what we want to say is if the array does not include the character, so we want to add the not there, then we want to add that character to the array. And at the end of this, if the sentence is a pangram, the length of this array should now be 26 because we only added the character if it was not already in the array. So if we've used each English character at least once, this length should be exactly equal to 26. So we can simply return a boolean of letters dot length is equal to 26. And we'll run this, make sure everything's working okay. Looks good. We'll submit. Alright, and that way works just fine, but there is another way we can do this that's actually even a little bit faster. It's a very similar type of idea, but instead of using an array and looping through and sort of manually pushing each character into that array, we can just create a set from the sentence because the set will only include unique letters, unique characters in it by nature of that structure. So I'm going to again call this letters. Letters equals new set, and we're going to pass in the sentence, and that will give us all the unique letters that were in the original sentence in that set. So now we can do essentially the same thing we did in the previous one, return letters, but in this case with a set, it's going to be dot size instead of dot length is equal to 26. And this should do pretty much the same thing we did before. Make sure everything's working. But obviously this solution is a little bit more optimized, only 2 lines of code, so it's very simple and quick to solve that one. So there you have it.